Ever wished you had eyes on the road, front and back? Meet the ROVE R2-4K Dual, the dash cam that's got your 6 and your 12. This dual-channel dash cam records in 4K up front and 1080p in the rear, making it ideal for commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants peace of mind behind the wheel. Equipped with Sony's STARVIS 2 sensor, it excels in low-light conditions, capturing clear details even on dimly lit streets. Built-in GPS logs your route and speed, adding crucial context to your footage, especially useful in case of incidents. With dual-band Wi-Fi, transfer videos to your phone quickly. No cables, no hassle, just quick access to your recordings. 24-hour parking mode offers motion detection, collision alerts, and time-lapse recording, keeping your car monitored even when you're away. Here are the pros. High-resolution front and rear recording. Operational low-light performance. Fast Wi-Fi transfers. Comprehensive parking surveillance. Cons. Rear camera lacks motion detection in parking mode. And nighttime rear footage could be clearer. But the reviews are overwhelmingly positive and it keeps your family safe. Ready to upgrade your driving security? Click the link in the description. What do you want me to review next?